Okay, welcome back to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I have a creamy chicken pesto that we're going to put with a delicious bunch of penne. So, first thing you want to do is get a pot of water and get it up to the boil. And I just kind of use this kind of Dutch oven thing here. It's a green cast iron pot. You want to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, and you want to melt that up nice and easy. It shouldn't take very long. Again, this is kind of an old school way that I used to shoot these episodes. There is going to be another episode coming up very quickly where I shoot something a little bit different. And then you want to add either 2 teaspoons of pre-crushed garlic or 2 cloves of minced garlic. And then you want to add to that 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are cut up into about inch pieces, 1.5 inches. I wasn't really that accurate with when I diced up the chicken. And then you want to cook this until the chicken's done, and we'll be ready for the next step. Okie dokie, our chicken is cooked. And now it's time. You want to add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, to your personal taste, of course, but keep in mind there's going to be some ingredients that are going to be quite salty, so maybe go easy on the salt. The one thing I will say is do not drain that lovely stock that we have made of the butter, the oil, and of course the chicken. And you want to add a 1/4 cup of pesto, 1.25 cups of heavy cream. And you basically just want to turn that around and let that reduce a little bit. I'd say by about 10 to 15%, or until the sauce is to the thickness that you like. Takes about 10 minutes or so. Just keep an eye on it, stir it occasionally, and when it's the thickness you like, we'll be ready for the next step. Okay, the sauce is at the thickness that I happen to like. Now's the final touch, about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, freshly grated. I didn't even bother to measure the fucker. And then let this incorporate for a couple of minutes, and then we'll be ready to add our penne pasta. Okay, and the Parmesan cheese has had a chance to melt. Now add about 8 ounces of cooked penne pasta. And the only thing I have for here is, again, on the package directions of your penne pasta, make sure you take off a minute because this is where the final minute of cooking for the pasta is going to take place. All right, we're ready to serve this son of a bitch up.
Naughty, naughty little girl.
Okay, let's serve this pasta up. And basically, I'm going to use 2 scoops, but you go with how big your appetite is. And this is optional, but I think pasta should be served with a bit of freshly ground black pepper on the top. And, of course, we need a little bit more Parmesan cheese on this. And that's it. Creamy chicken pesto. Done.